Another beautiful delivery. He is just one of the best bowler when it comes to ONGC. Shot ball and pull beautifully this time. Right out from the middle of the bat. Bang, she goes. Quite a distance. Good hit, but this time the ball will not go out of the boundary, but will be, oh dear me. There would have been a collision of fielders, resulting in overthrow, sending him back on time. Imtiaz Ahmed. So 2 runs for Imtiaz, 2 runs for CAG, with his 2 runs goes up to 144. Right in the block, oh, it could be a risky single, good throw on the wicket. Imtiaz Ahmed is clean up. 8 wickets down on 144. Full toss, played straight to long on. Could be a couple of runs here. No, the throw comes in. They are running for it. It will be a direct throw. Another wicket goes down. 9 down for 145. Good looking shot, nice and straight. A boundary to take the score to 149. 150 is the target for ONGC to achieve and win. Let us see, wait and watch. Will the CAG defend their target of 150 or ONGC plays with the ability? As umpire says, it's time and